Hi guys, just gone midday here in London to Thursday, 12th of March. We've got ECB coming up in a moment. Obviously we'll be live on our YouTube channel from 12:30. But just having a quick look over the markets. S&P currently limit down 139 points in futures. Nasdaq 402. The Dow Jones 1231. So all limit down 5% down before the New York Open. Trading will resume, at least to the downside anyway, at 1:30 UK time, and then obviously be aware that below there 7% would lead to a 15-minute pause, 13% limit pause, 13% move lower would lead to another 15-minute. And obviously it's not going to happen, you would say 20% lower, trading would be halted for the day. Trump's travel ban for Europe has sent stocks lower, as you can see here. Obviously continuing this overall move lower. Gold, some people would obviously expect this to push higher. We've just seen that push lower, $15 on a spike through that low level. And obviously you can see coming here to find a bit of support on some previous areas of what were resistance, now acting as support here. So that sell everything except government bonds seems to be the play at the moment. It'd be interesting to see what happens at 12:45 of the ECB, a cut expected of 10 basis points. What other measures will be worth keeping an eye on? The euro at the moment over the last few days has been drifting down from 115, a decent trend line to be aware of, I would say, to cap the downside. I'd say remain short as long as we're below there. If that happens, I think we can also break down. We've just hit another key point this morning, so we're having a technical bounce from what was the high back on the 3rd of March. We've got just under 40 minutes to go, so price action now is going to be unpredictable. Oil pushed lower as well from that travel ban, trading now at $31 pretty much. The gap fill looked to have gathered some steam in the early hours on the 11th yesterday morning, only to come back to reality, and it now seems that a move lower towards 27 and that 26 handle in the futures from 2016 perhaps seems more inevitable now. Interesting day ahead for sure for the markets. Quick look over the calendar just to, I know this is a very much a headline-driven market. ECB 12:45 press conference, 45 minutes after, will be the main thing to focus on. There's also not many data points out, so any developments obviously on the coronavirus will be worth keeping an eye on as well going forward. Gold just having a bit of a bounce from those levels. Stocks, keep an eye what happens at 1:30. It could well get interesting yet again. Limit down for the second time this week, following big moves lower during the Asian session.